Hey, to uninstall NVIDIA application, all you have to do is just to go into the start on your Windows. Now you will have to actually open the settings. And from here, go into the left side apps and select installed apps. From here, you can click on search and input the NVIDIA phrase. And that's actually the NVIDIA application that we can get rid of. So click on the three dots, select uninstall, and then click uninstall one more time. Click OK if you have any pop-up window, then click on the uninstall button one more time. Now just wait for this uninstallation process. It's almost finished, so click close, and there we are. As you can see right now, we are back with this default NVIDIA control panel application. If you want to get back the NVIDIA GeForce experience, for sure you can get it by going into the browser, input NVIDIA GeForce Experience app, and from this you can actually get back the old GeForce Experience application. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.